This section of the PLT covers the different approaches of instruction for teaching students, from creating learning objectives that meet standards to planning and implementing a successful lesson. The first part to creating quality instruction is knowing all forms of standards. The standards a teacher must follow are district, state, and national standards. Within district, state, and national standards, there are content and performance standards. Content standards outline the content to be delivered. Performance standards are used to gauge the degree to which the students meet or exceed the content standards. Next in the instructional process of teaching is lesson planning, which is the structure behind a teacher's daily content approach. There needs to be 3 levels to lesson planning: curricular level, unit level, and lesson level. A great plan to integrate other subjects into curricular planning is called interdisciplinary units. An example of this approach would be if a PE teacher used components of math in an activity taught in a PE lesson. Next in the instructional process are the different strategies of instruction teachers can use for more efficient learning. The first is teacher-directed instruction, which is called direct instruction. This is simply the traditional instruction method where the teacher teaches instruction to the students directly. Then there is student-directed instruction, which is called indirect instruction. This is where the teacher typically allows the students to take initiative in the teaching and learning process, and the teacher serves as the facilitator. Next is experiential instruction. This is where the teacher tries to tie learning with concrete experiences such as field trips, stimulation, experiments, games, or role-playing exercises. Then there is an approach called independent instruction, which is where the teacher allows the students to learn at their own pace. Lastly, the teacher can use the approach called interactive instruction, which is where the teacher will use debates, brainstorming, and panel discussions to help the students learn more efficiently.